Hi everybody, this is Vitorials, and today we're gonna explore 3 ways how to create duotone effect inside Adobe Photoshop. I want to know what do you think about them. Please leave a comment which of the 3 you would like to use more. Duotone is the effect of using 2 colors over the image. First, it comes from printing press and early years of photography, and now designers find a new way how to add impact using this technique. Duotones can be subtle and radiant, delicate and shutting, and depending from the colors they used to create it. Maybe most convenient way how to create a duotone inside Adobe Photoshop is to use gradient map. So let's get started our tutorial. Now I have this high-res image. It's always better to use an image with one focus area. Of course you can create a duotone with the landscape, but it will be a much more difficult. So go to the layer, new adjustment layer and gradient map. I'm gonna name it duotone. Click OK. Now double click on this layer to change the color. And I want to work with these 2 colors on my bottom. I'm gonna choose this color. Click OK, and I also want to change a little bit this yellow color. I want to move it to the more skin tones and maybe move it like so. Then I'm gonna grab this green color and move it to the right. And this is basically it. I create a duotone effect inside Adobe Photoshop. This is non-destructive way how to create a duotone. And next way is I grab this method from the Adobe official website. So it's basically how Adobe team sees this task. Let's get started with the layer image, mode, grayscale, to convert our photo into the grayscale image. Then go to the image, mode and duotone. And here we have a bunch of options. First of all, we can use monotone, we can use duotone, we can use tritone and quadratone. So I'm gonna use duotone. I'm gonna specify first inking. Then I'm gonna specify ink tool. Play with the colors, name all of your ink and click OK to create the duotone effect. And last way to create duotones is using action. Action is a piece of code that helps you automate some stuff inside Adobe Photoshop. So in order to open actions, go to the Windows and choose actions. Go to the actions panel and now open this very tiny menu icon on the top right and choose load actions and load your action. Follow the first link in the description to download the free duotone action for Adobe Photoshop. After loading your action, as you can see, it has RTN file format. You have this folder, Duotone Photoshop Actions and Freebie. We have 10 actions in total, and let's try one of them. Select the layer, then choose the name of the action and click on this small play button to run your action. And it creates this nice duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop. It creates also an folder. All these actions are based on the first method, gradient map, and then they are also adjust brightness and contrast of this layer. Now you know at least 3 methods how to create Duotone effects inside Adobe Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, please do not hesitate to thumb up, subscribe, share it with your friends. I want to thank you for following to the end. Have a nice day.